Okay guys, I just wanted to show you some new updates. This is my editing station. I changed it over, it's now got two 24-inch monitors on it. I'm working on getting the 22 above it working. I found out I have to have a what's called an active DisplayPort adapter in order to get that third screen working. So there's a little bit of an update. And those 24-inch monitors came from above the workbench. So let's look over there. Okay, they have been replaced by 24-inch Dell UltraSharp monitors. And the reason I've done this is these Ultra Sharps, let me see if I can get you a good look up under there. Okay. Those Ultra Sharps have like every port known to man. Looks like they've got component, S-Video, VGA, they've got dual DVI, DisplayPort, and HDMI. They also support picture-in-picture. So I thought these would be more fitting. There's a matching set there for the workbench there. On a side note, guys, I forgot to mention on these Dell UltraSharp monitors, not only do they have a built-in 4-port USB hub, they also have a built-in card reader for compact flash, SD, MMC, XD, and MS. That's also a handy another feature that'll be helpful here on the workbench. I've also mounted the larger TV that was in the editing station over there. Okay, just figured I'd give you a little update of what I've been doing this week. Sorry about the crap pictures. Still using the same phone, so we get what we get, right? Okay guys, today I'm just going to bring you a short video here. I know it's a day or two late. I've been actually waiting on a part to come in so I could actually do a video on an unboxing and a repair. So today's content should be a little bit better than normal. Last couple have just been gameplays out of lack of anything better to do. So let's go ahead and get down to business here. I'm going to switch over to the bench feed here. Okay, there we go. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay, got my controller open finally. But I don't want to cooperate too well here. Alright, one more. Alright, there we go guys. I got it zoomed in. Technical difficulties as always. Let's go ahead and open this up. Basically what's happened here is I've had a nice 47-inch Vizio. And years ago it got struck by lightning. Okay, so what I've done is took the motherboard out of that probably about a month ago. I was going to see if my buddy could repair it for me. That hasn't happened yet, so I went ahead and went on eBay and I found a new one. This is actually for a 42-inch model. Mine's a 47, so we're going to cross our fingers. But let's go ahead and open this box up. Alright, let's see how he's got this packaged. Got a bit of newspaper. And some bubble wrap. Alright, that's it for the inside of the box there. Alright, some more tape, some more bubble wrap. Yeah, looks like he's got it packaged pretty well at least. Okay. Alright, so we got it out of the package. Go ahead and move it up to the cam a little bit for you guys. Now, like I said, this is made for the 42-inch version. You can't really see it in this model here, but it does actually list model numbers that support mine, so we're going to really hope for the best here and hope it's going to be a compatible board.
Check our model numbers here. Okay, model numbers are looking a little different on the board, so let's hope for the best here. But basically, this is what we've got. Yet again, we're going to fight the light, and we're going to fight the focus here. Okay. All right. A couple risers on it. That might be getting in the way. Let's see what we got. Look at the back. Make sure there's no damage to the board. Looks like it's in okay shape. May have been repaired at one point. I see a little bit of flux work, unless that's just from the factory. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to cut the video here, and I'll come back to you when I've got the TV disassembled and this board ready to go in. Okay, guys. I got the thing all taken apart now. I didn't want to put you through the agonizing pain of watching all that. Basically, I've got it all apart. I've got the board sitting right here in the middle. We're going to go ahead and place it where it goes. Okay, as you can see, all the wires are laying where I unhooked them initially. Let's go ahead and put him on here like he's supposed to go. There's a couple lock spots that lock this guy in. Okay. Let's go ahead and screw it down, and then we'll go ahead and fasten everything back in. Now, it does seem I may be missing a couple screws. Shame on me. Not quite sure how that happened. Okay, we got a couple more over here. Let's see what we get with these. And we got one more over here. There we go. Alright, so we've got the board fastened back in. Let's go ahead and I'll hook the hookups in, and then I'll put the bracket on. There's a metal bracket that sits on the side here. Let's go ahead and get everything hooked in first, though. Basically, as they sit, is where we put them. Our Wi-Fi cable's back in here. Okay. These are the fun ones here, these little ribbon cables. Got to get these guys lined up just right. Yeah, that's definitely not right. Let's see here. There we go. Takes a little finagling, but we got them in there. Fold it down. Do a little bit better with this one. Just didn't want to force anything and break it. There we go. That went a lot smoother. Alright, got the ribbon cables in. Got a couple more connectors right down here. Again, just left them hanging where I took them out. It's pretty easy to put them back in here. Okay. Alright, double check, make sure everything's hooked in. Looks good. Let's go and put our bracket back on the side here. Yeah, I think it's probably going to go over the top. I remember taking it out over the top. Sure, those holes going up. No, I'm thinking it might have been under the board. Okay. This is why it's important to take pictures, guys. And I failed to do that. Okay, put it under the board there. There's that one. This one up here in this corner lined up. There's that. Alright, get a bracket back on. Alright. Gonna pause again, guys, and I'm gonna come back to you when I've got this all hooked up and see what we get. Okay, guys, I got it buttoned up. I need to get the cam switched back over to the room feed here. Alright. There it is. I don't have any source put into it right now, but as you can see, we have the No Signal logo on the front here. Let me see if I can find a quick, easy source. Actually, let me grab the remote. We'll just try out the built-in apps here, and we'll see what we get with that. If I can find a safe way to set that down, that'll work. No, I think I'll hurt that screen for just a second. Okay. Let's hold it up again. That's right. I forgot the receiver still needs replaced in this guy, so that remote's not going to do us much good. Let me see what I can do. Here's a menu. Menu's probably the only thing we're going to be able to mess with here. I think I just changed the input, so I did there. There we go. You can see the menu's all working good if I can get it out of the way here. Alright, I'd say that's success. Before I couldn't even keep the screen on any length of time. It would actually just all scramble, and that was all bad. Alright guys, I appreciate you taking your time to watch. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.